Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum cadets. Today we discuss a new topic which is about lens. This topic is very important because this topic express the images which is formed from a lens. Basically today our topic name is properties of image formed by a lens. As we know that we have two types of lens. One is concave lens, the other one is convex lens. So I discuss one by one how images formed from a concave lens and how it has properties which are we discuss. First of all, convex lens. Properties of convex lens. Number one, a convex lens always has a positive focal length. It has positive focal length. The image formed by a convex lens is always real image. It forms always real image. The real image is that image which can obtain on the screen. So it can be obtained on the screen. The image formed by a convex lens is always larger the size of the object. It is always larger than object. The image formed by a convex lens is always in front of the lens. The image formed by a convex lens is always front of the lens. Dear cadets, these are some properties of a convex lens which form the images. I repeat it. It has always positive focal length. It forms always real image. It can be obtained on screen. It is always larger than object. The image formed by a convex lens is always in front of the lens. Now we discuss about the images formed by a concave lens, which is also called diverging lens. Properties of concave lens. Properties of images of concave lens. A concave lens always has a negative focal length. It has always negative focal length. its image is always virtual. Its image is always virtual and small in size. Number 3, its image always be erect. Number 4, its image cannot be taken on the screen. The last one is the image formed by a concave mirror is always between the lens and behind the lens. The image formed by a concave lens is always behind the lens. Is always in back of the lens. I repeat it. First of all, properties of images of concave lens. It has always negative focal length. Its image is virtual and small in size. Its image always be erect. Its image cannot be taken on screen. The image formed by a concave lens is always in back of the lens. These are some properties which we discuss today about the lens. Inshallah, in our next topic we will start about reflections of light. Thank you.